Hello, you funnel hackers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly visually connect all of your marketing strategy and your funnel strategy onto one intuitive drag and drop canvas so that you can align yourself and your entire team and keep yourself moving on in the right direction. So the first step that I'm going to be doing here to create my funnel is I'm going to be creating and dragging my traffic sources onto the actual planner tool. The three traffic sources I'm going to be using, for example, is Google Ads, Facebook ads, and some native banner ads. The next step is I'm going to drag in my initial landing page onto this planner tool over here. So I'm going to drag it in just like that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it from generic over to landing page. In this next step, I'm going to be cleaning up some of my lines and just making sure everything connects. Right here, I'm going to quickly demonstrate that you can change the color of a line to any color that you want. After that, I'm going to add in my opt-in page. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to move it over and rename it to form because I just like that name better. I'm then going to draw my line over here. Okay, great. So my final step is I'm going to add the actual download page where you can download the social media fundamentals for yourself. By the way, links down below if you want that. It shows you how to turn your entire social media presence into a powerful lead magnet so you don't have to spend any money on ads and you're ready to start get some sales. So like I said, I'm going to add that. I'm also going to show that you need to take a survey in order to download that social media blueprint. Cool. In the time of about a minute, I was able to organize my entire team to show them our marketing strategy. Thank you guys, and I'll talk to you later.